In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S21 to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect your Samsung S21 or any other Android smartphone to a MacBook. So to do this, you will have to use an external program. I'm going to teach you how to download it and some considerations. So the program that I recommend for this video is going to be Android File Transfer. There are other alternatives such as MacDroid, and essentially the process is going to be the same, but for this video I chose to showcase the process with Android File Transfer. You can choose whichever one you prefer. So for Android File Transfer specifically, you will have to connect your phone to your MacBook by establishing a physical connection with a cable and then running the program. So to establish this physical connection, just grab the necessary cable. Usually it is going to be a USB-C cable plugged into the S21, and then the other end goes into your MacBook. It can either be USB-C or USB-A. To download this program, you will have to look for Android File Transfer on Google and access the official website at android.com. As you can see, it supports macOS 10.7 and higher. All that you have to do is download, open the DMG file, and drag Android File Transfer to applications. Then, like I said, establish a physical connection using the proper cable. Once the connection has been established, open Android File Transfer, and as long as you are using a suitable cable, all of your folders are going to appear inside of the application. Now you can drag them into the MacBook storage. You can copy them, cut, delete, and do whatever you wish. Basically, you can now manage your S21's files directly from your MacBook. This will work for any model of smartphone that you have, if it is running Android, and also you can connect it to any MacBook. So a standard MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and whatever it is that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S21 to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.